NJ Slot Guy here from the Golden Nugget Atlantic City in the high limit slot room. We are at Lightning Cash. There's another high stakes Lightning Cash here. We're only going to do the 25-cent one, but we're going to do it. We're going to do $12.50 a spin. Let's spin, let's win. There it is. Need 6 of those to come out for the bonus game. One more would be nice. No, of course not. Shocker. I love how I'm looking over the phone when I could just look into the phone, right? Stupid. Should be something there, no? All right. The only music that happens is when you do something fun. There you go, Jack. All right, guys, here we go. Good start. All right, guys, let's see what we can do here. Let me adjust myself. Just need one more to keep us alive for 3 more spins. Okay, this is getting scary now. There it is. That was making me nervous there for a sec. All right, there we go. More spins left, unless another chip comes out. Nope, that's going to do it, guys. Let's see what we ended up with here. Definitely not a bad one for quarters. $9.75. Not bad, guys. There's your music, Jared. Jerry wanted that music, so we're gonna enjoy that for a couple seconds there. All right, that's enough of that. Let's readjust here. Yes, I know you guys are usually like, "What's he doing? He usually plays the dollar denomination." Well, I'm trying to make it last a little bit longer, guys, and you know what? I've never switched it up and played different denominations on these Lightning Links, so I figured let's start with that tonight. And so far, so good. So we need 3 of those briefcases as well to get a different game that comes up. Hopefully I don't have to explain it to you guys, because hopefully we get it. Oh, we got 2 out of 3 there. Definitely not bad, though, especially for the quarter denomination to hit 9.75 like that. It's very good. So we're definitely happy about that. Let's see if we could get those poker chips again. That would be nice. But if not, we're going to stop at 1,000. Come on, 2 more. Oh, all the wild. Are you kidding? Come on, now we only need 3 more. 3 more. Nope. What's that one? All right. Doubled up on that one. There we go. All right. Nice, that was a good one. $231.25 on that hit.
It is.
So now we're gonna go. Now we're gonna set it up to 1,200. Good machine. See if we could pull off a jackpot on it, though, right? The quarter denomination, wouldn't that be nice? 2 more, would have been a good start with those $500 chips. I mean, those 500 credit chips. Those are $125 a pop. Well, this is going to keep us playing, so that's the point, right? Can't get that third briefcase. Almost had it there, guys. Close, but no cigar. Keep hitting on the wilds. Nothing spectacular, but something nonetheless. Ah, that was a good chip to get. Now we're almost out of here. Well, we did phenomenal on this machine, so. Well, we got our bet back on that one. Oh, jeez. Come on, one more. Ah. Really want those briefcases, man. Oh, we only got a couple more spins left. Actually, 2. Crept down on us there. All right. Well, that's going to do it, guys. Definitely profitable on this machine, but 500 in. Cashing it out at 1204.50, which is always a weird number for me, but I did something different, and it actually worked out. So there's your voucher, guys. 1204.50. We're going to cash that out. We'll probably go to another machine, I'm sure. But until then, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell to stay notified. You can follow me on Facebook at NJ Slot Guy John or on Twitter at NJ Slot Guy. I appreciate all of you. Thank you very much. And we'll have some more videos for you soon.